Imagine waking up one day and realizing you have complete control over your money. No more stress over bills, no more paycheck-to-paycheck living, and definitely no more financial regret. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. The difference between struggling and thriving isn't luck, it's strategy. And today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint to manage your money like a pro. But before we dive in, let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, where did all my money go? If so, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to ensure that never happens again. Act 1. The problem. Why most people struggle with money. Most people don't manage money, they react to it. Money comes in, money goes out. And at the end of the month, there's nothing left to show for it. Here's the hard truth. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear. Think about it. Every dollar has a job. But if you're not the one assigning those jobs, your bank account is basically an unemployed couch-surfing freeloader. And this isn't just about numbers. It's about the life you want to build. Do you want to work endlessly just to make ends meet? Or do you want money to work for you, giving you the freedom to live life on your terms? The choice is yours, but it starts with a plan. Act 2. The solution. 5 proven strategies to manage money like a pro. 1. Pay yourself first. The non-negotiable rule of wealth. Most people save what's left after spending. Pros do the opposite. The moment you get paid, set aside a portion for savings and investments, before you even think about expenses. Think of it like feeding the golden goose before anything else. Because let's be real, if you wait until the end of the month, there's never anything left. Ever tried to diet by saying, I'll eat healthy after I finish this pizza? Exactly. Doesn't work. The same goes for saving money. 2. Budget. Like a CEO. A business doesn't guess where its money is going. It has a budget, a strategy. Treat your personal finances the same way. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. But here's the kicker. Track your spending. If you don't know where your money is going, it's like trying to lose weight without ever stepping on a scale. You need data to make better decisions. 3. Master the art of smart spending. Ever bought something on impulse and regretted it later? That's because marketers are professionals at getting you to spend. But pros think before they buy. Try this. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, will this make me richer or poorer? If it's not adding value, maybe it's not worth it. And if you think small purchases don't matter, wait until we talk about the sneaky expense that's quietly draining your bank account. 4. The hidden cost. That's keeping you broke. Subscription creep. Those little $10, $15, $20 charges add up. Gym memberships you don't use, streaming services you forgot about. It's death by 1,000 cuts. Go through your statements, cancel what you don't use, and reclaim that money. Imagine what you could do if you had an extra few $100s every month. That's a flight ticket, an investment, or a step closer to financial freedom. 5. Make your money work for you. The wealthy don't just save money, they make money work for them. Investing isn't just for Wall Street pros, it's for anyone who wants to build real wealth. If you're not investing, you're literally losing money to inflation. Start small. Index funds, ETFs, real estate. The earlier you start, the less you have to invest later. And here's the wild part. If you invest just $10 a day starting now, you could have over $1 million by retirement. Act 3. The reward. The life you can build. Imagine a life where money isn't a stressor, but a tool for freedom. Where you don't have to say no to opportunities because of financial constraints. Where you wake up every day knowing your money is working for you. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about setting yourself up for lifelong wealth. And the best part? You don't need a massive income to start. You just need the right habits. And if you're thinking, okay, but what if I've already made financial mistakes? Good news. I've got you covered. Your next step? Avoid the biggest financial mistakes that could hold you back. Click here for my video on 5 financial mistakes in your 20s. Trust me, you don't want to learn these lessons the hard way. See you there.